Let intelligence develop. Man of science and engineering Chery launched the first test of Falcon Intelligent Driving. As is known, competition in the Chinese automobile industry is increasingly fierce, and end-to-end intelligent driving technology innovation has become an important area where major automobile companies compete. Chery's high-end new energy brand emerged after 5 years of research and development. It has also demonstrated strong competitive power in the field of intelligence. With the launch of Falcon Intelligent Driving and the successful completion of the first installation and test of the global Sterra ES long-range electric vehicle, the first step has been taken to the first stage of intelligent driving. The new Sterra ES, the first model equipped with the Falcon Intelligent Driving system, is equipped with 30 high-performance sensors including extended-range four-wheel drive, ultra-long-range laser radar, 8-megapixel high-resolution camera and high-resolution millimeter-wave radar. It uses dual NVIDIA Orin-X chips with a total processing power of up to 508 TOPS. Sufficient computing power redundancy enables the vehicle to achieve full-scenario intelligent driving assistance, including high-level intelligent driving functions such as highway navigation assistance, city navigation assistance, and intelligent parking, and also provides a solid foundation for subsequent upgrades. At the same time, the Falcon Intelligent Driving system is also supported by advanced algorithms. While driving, the system can accurately identify pedestrians, vehicles, and other objects around the vehicle like an experienced driver. It can recognize traffic lights when passing through intersections and easily control the vehicle to cope with complex scenarios such as mixed traffic of people and vehicles. In addition, the system can detect obstacles such as cones when passing through intersections, predict moving pedestrians and objects in advance, so it can react easily at any time and fully ensure driving safety. What can the new Sterra ES with the Falcon Intelligent Driving system do in the face of challenges in the video?